Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. I hope you're having a great new year. Today I'm going to show you how to make Elvis cake, which is Wowbutter and banana cake. Elvis and I have the same birthday, January 8th, and that is coming up this Monday. So if you want to make something in honor of the king, I suggest you make this cake. Okay, let's start off with the ingredients. For the cake part, you're going to need a half a cup of butter softened, which is 1 stick. You need 1½ cups of sugar. You need 2 eggs. You need 1 cup of mashed up bananas, which equals 2 to 3 medium bananas. Then you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a cup of milk, which I do not have pictured here. And then for the frosting, you're going to need 1/3 cup of the creamy Wowbutter, 1/3 cup of milk. Again, I don't have the milk out yet. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of confectioner's sugar. Now first, just go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Okay, next in a large bowl, we are going to cream together our butter and our sugar. Okay, that looks pretty good. Next, we are going to add our 2 eggs in, one at a time, creaming them and beating them very well in between each time. Okay, next we are going to add in our bananas and our vanilla extract and mix it again. Okay, so in another bowl now, you want to take your flour, baking powder, and baking soda and whisk that all together. And then we are going to add it to our wet ingredients as well as the milk at the same time. Okay, after that is all mixed together, you want to go ahead and spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray. And we are just going to pour our cake mix in there. What I did to stir this in was did half of my flour mixture, half the milk, then the other half in the milk, and just mixed it all together. And this is pretty thick, so you are going to have to use a spoon or a spatula to get it into your pan. Okay, that is all ready to go into the oven, and my timer just went off that the oven is ready. So we're going to put that in there for 30 to 35 minutes, or until you can pull out a clean toothpick when you insert it. Okay, our cake is ready. Now we are just going to go ahead and let that cool, and we are going to go make our icing. Okay, let's start on our frosting now. In a mixing bowl, you want to beat your Wowbutter, milk, and vanilla until it's nice and smooth. Okay, that looks good. Now we are going to add in our confectioner's sugar 1 cup at a time and just keep mixing it. Okay, that looks good. Now we are going to go ahead and just spoon that or use a spatula and spread it evenly over your cake. Okay, this is all ready to go. Some tips for spreading your frosting: if you just want to take it out by spoonfuls or spatulafuls and just place them all over the cake and let them melt into it a little bit, it's a lot easier to spread because the cake does come apart if you try to spread it without doing that first. Just a little tip. So now we're going to have Taste Tester have a little taste. Okay, let's take this over to Taste Tester. Taste Tester. There you go. Have a little taste.
It's hard to get off. Yum. Yum.
Do you like it? Okay, everyone, come back and see us again. Bye.